Does anyone here feel like giving up at some point in life? Well, I do, but I persevere until I'm able to achieve great success in the end. There was a famous quote said by a famous American politician, Robert F. Kennedy. And the quote is, "Only those who dare to fail greatly can achieve greatly." Now, allow me to share my story on how I managed to overcome challenges in life. In 2020, I browsed through a lot of violin cover videos on YouTube, and I was always imagining that I was holding the violin elegantly while pushing and pulling the strings with perfect vibrato while pressing the notes. I urged my parents to buy me a violin and promised to learn it properly. Initially, when I first started to play the violin, I didn't even know the basic technique to grip the violin bow and press the notes correctly. Nonetheless, through music classes and repetitive practice sessions at home, I managed to get a hold of it. I also always spend my free time watching free tutorial videos on YouTube and practicing with online music sheets. Finally, after 3 years of struggling with the basics, I'm finally in grade 3 violin, and I even joined a lot of talent competitions with my violin skills. This showed that my hard work over these years has paid off. Now, let me share another personal experience about determination. Last month, all the Form 4 and Form 5 students were sitting for an exam, and the school requested the Form 1, Form 2, and Form 3 committee members to represent their club in hosting the club's meet-up. As the tennis club committee member for Form 3, I personally think that the Form 1 and Form 2 committee members won't bring much contribution and would just depend on your seniors. So I decided to think of the activities on my own. Since it was my first time leading a club unofficially, I was clueless about what to organize. To make things worse, I didn't even know the basics about playing tennis, and I was forced to join this club due to its popularity among students. Therefore, I took my own initiative to browse through tennis tutorial videos on YouTube to master the basic skills. I then made a short script I want to announce and include during the tennis meeting. On that day, I made an announcement confidently to the school speaker to inform all tennis members to gather at the multipurpose court after school for a meetup. Next, I gave a short briefing about what was the activity that we will be conducting. I then showed the members the correct technique to grip the tennis racket and how to do the serving part as well as hitting the ball. Initially, the other members did not really get what I was trying to teach. Nonetheless, through my repetitive explanation and patience, they finally were able to understand the techniques, and they even said that they were qualified enough to join a tennis competition, which made me very proud. And after the tennis meeting ended, that wiser teacher praised me, saying that I had done a great job of hosting this meeting. I was feeling over the moon as my first attempt to host such a meeting, which was an overall success due to my diligence and confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, success can be achieved through resilience. Do not give up when you face roadblocks. Focus on your initial goal when you feel like throwing in a towel at any point in life. Believe in yourself at all times, and you'll be able to reach success in no time. Thank you.